Stop doing these things, because these things are absolutely destroying your ability to attract what you want. Hey, this is Michael, and in this video, I want to share with you, first of all, 2 things that you must stop doing if you desire to use the law of attraction to create a certain result, to manifest something in your life, to create something more effortlessly, more easily, but not overnight. If you're that overnight person who wants to get rich quick, then leave this video. This is not for you. This is for the serious ones. And after that, after I have shared those 2 things with you, then I will share 3 steps with you that are going to help you use the law of attraction correctly to attract what you want more easily and effortlessly, just like it should be. Okay, let's start this video off by telling you what you shouldn't do, what you have to avoid. So stop thinking. The first thing, stop thinking that if you just sit there and you just think hard, you visualize, you meditate, and you do nothing, you take no action, that is gonna come to you. You have to stop this. Stop that activity right now. That is killing your chances of succeeding in life in general, not just with the law of attraction. Yes, the law of attraction works, but the law of attraction works only if you work. That's when the law of attraction works. The law of attraction works when you work. Okay? So it's just, you have to lose that mentality. You have to lose that mindset that, okay, if I just think hard, if I focus on my thinking, I focus on my attention, I focus my attention on what I want, I put positive attention on what I want, I do it every day, I visualize what I want, then somebody's gonna knock on your door and give you $1 million. Congratulations. No, just throw it out the window. I was that person. I wanted to believe that if I think hard, if I visualize hard, I'm gonna manifest what I want. You know, I visualized the cars, the house, the fancy lifestyle, the money, the millions are coming in. And I didn't do anything. And guess what happened? Nothing. Only when I started growing myself, working on my personal growth, then my reality started changing. I will talk about further in the upcoming steps that I will talk about. Okay, let's move on to the second thing that you must stop doing. Stop thinking that it's about finding that one technique, that if you do this technique, you're gonna manifest whatever you want. Just like that. I just gotta find this one technique, I gotta do this, and I will get what I want. You have to throw that mentality out of the window as well. That mentality of getting things fast, getting things right now. Okay, you gotta shift your focus from the result, I gotta get the result, to the process that's gonna lead to the result. You gotta become process oriented, because with anything in life, okay, you want to build your business, you gotta focus on the process, building that business. Either growing your YouTube channel, for example. You wanna lose weight, you gotta focus on the process, you gotta focus on eating right. You gotta focus on, reprogramming your mind for success. That's a process. You have to focus on working out, okay? You can't sit home and just visualize the outcome. Although that's a part of the process, but it doesn't work like that. So start becoming process oriented and your life will change forever. I also made that mistake. I was looking for another technique. I was looking for another information piece to just feel good about consuming information, but I didn't do anything about it. I just was consuming, watching this, watching that, but nothing happened. So these are the two things you have to stop doing. These are killing your chances of success. Maybe you are someone who's doing those things. Maybe you're already past that phase. Doesn't matter. It's good to go over things so you don't fall back into that trap. Okay, with those two things that I want to share with you said, now I want to move to 3 steps that will help you use the law of attraction correctly and actually manifest the things that you want. You will be able to create the results that you desire in your life. You will be able to create the reality that you desire. Okay? Get out of your current circumstances and create what you want. Okay? So let's move to these 3 steps. The first step to successfully, correctly using the law of attraction is to know what you want. Not what you think you want. Know what you want and visualize it every day. Okay? Know what you want, create a clear vision in your head and visit that vision every day. 15 minutes every day. Visualize the clear vision and make sure it is what you really want, not what you think you want. Okay? The mind, the ego, same thing, mind and ego are the same thing. The ego will start projecting you things that you think you want. The ego will start projecting those things. Why? Well, let's bring you an example. The ego, for example, might project that you want a beautiful villa, you want a fancy car, fancy sports car, right? Why? Because the ego can feel good about himself. The ego can feel like he is better than other people if he drives a beautiful sports car. If he makes more money than others. Maybe you actually, deep down, you just want to earn 5,000 euros a month, be financially free, enjoy your life. But the ego says no. You want to earn 25,000 euros a month because that's more than all of your friends, all of your family members. So you're the man if you earn 25,000. So that's the ego. So how do you know what you truly want? You know what you truly want by meditation. I know I'm using the word meditation a lot. I know I'm recommending meditation a lot, but this is a game changer. How does meditation help you? Well, if you start meditating, classical meditation, silent meditation where you just sit down, you're still in the body, you're still in the mind. You pick a certain thing you focus on. When thoughts come up, you come back to that focus point. Maybe it's your breathing. Maybe it's your body. You're sensing your body. That's your thing you come back to. That's your anchor. Okay? Regular meditation. So what meditation does, it starts dissolving the ego. The ego starts melting away. And you start connecting yourself to your true self. You start connecting yourself with your soul. You start listening to your soul more and more because the ego is not clouding that anymore. The ego is not projecting those false desires and wants anymore. So your real, true desires start coming up. Your true desires remain. And then this is what I really want. And you will feel it in your heart. When you visualize, it will feel right. What your soul wants, the universe wants you to have because it's all connected. Because it's already all connected. You will manifest what you want faster, easier, and when you get it, you will feel happy, fulfilled. Because this is what you really wanted. Okay, so that's the first thing. Let's move on to the second thing. So you have to allow your vision to unfold through you. Okay? You have to allow your vision to unfold through you by taking consistent daily action. Okay? And you don't have to hustle. Forget about hustle. That's a bullshit message. You just have to take daily consistent action towards your goal. Whatever action you know right now is the correct action. Why? Because your vision, your process will unfold itself as you start taking action. Your process cannot unfold itself if you don't start taking action. You've got to first start taking action, and then your process will unfold itself if you're doing your visualizations every day. If you're aligned with your vision, aligned with your desired reality. Okay? So whatever action you know right now, whether it's reading a book, whether it's starting to do some exercises 15 minutes a day, whether it's watching some YouTube videos, right? Every single day. You watch one YouTube video every day. You start, whatever exercise, whatever program you join, just do what you know right now and start doing it. Start showing up every single day, okay? The law of attraction, the life cannot show up for you if you're not showing up for life. You have to show up so life can show up for you. Okay? Just daily consistent action. So ask yourself, am I taking daily action, putting one foot after another, or am I trapped inside inaction? Ask yourself. If you're trapped inside inaction, start taking small daily steps. You can, at the beginning of your day, you can be like, okay, let me write down 3 steps that I will take towards my goal every day. Doesn't have to be massive, big steps. Start small. Where else will you start? Start small. Okay? 5 steps, 3 steps. Just start taking daily action and show up, and life will show up for you. The law of attraction will show up for you. Okay? Now, let's move on to the third step. And the third step is probably the most powerful one. The third step is probably the most powerful one to actually create your desired life and use the law of attraction in the most powerful way. Okay? And you have to understand that who you become is what you're going to attract. Who you become is what you will get. So, whenever you determine a desire, right? You're like, okay, I know this is what I want. This is what I want. Then, the first question that you have to ask yourself is, who do I have to become to experience this reality? Who do I have to become? Who is the person who experiences this kind of reality? What are their habits, beliefs, self-image? What do they believe about themselves? What do they believe about the world? What's their worldview? Okay? Because understand that you cannot manifest, consistently earn a $10,000 a month income if you believe that there's a lack of money in the world. If you believe that you're not deserving of a $10,000 a month income. You cannot be fit and healthy if you are jealous and hateful towards other healthy and fit people. If you have a habit of eating chocolate every day, doesn't align. So here's your reality, here's your identity, who you are. Okay? And most people, they want to get here by remaining the same. but your reality is always in direct correspondence to who you are. Even, let's say an example, even if you manifest $1 million, right, with the lottery, you win the lottery, trust me, you better become a millionaire quickly. So otherwise, you're gonna lose it. Okay? If you become a millionaire, you believe what a millionaire believes, you have millionaire habits, you have a millionaire self-image, you feel worthy of being a millionaire, you have abundant beliefs, right? Then trust me, you will become a millionaire. This is how reality works. You become, reality will respond, so to say. You become, reality will respond. Remember that. That's one of the most powerful reality creation principles, law of attraction principles that I can share with you. Right? At first, I didn't know this. I didn't know this. I didn't understand this, but I'm sharing this with you right now. And I hope that you just understand this information and you start applying this information. That you make personal growth your number one priority in life. Because if you grow, everything else will grow. If you grow, everything else will grow. If you become a wealthy person, if you become an abundant person, you will attract abundant people, abundant opportunities, abundant circumstances in your life. That's how the law of attraction works, and that's how to use the law of attraction correctly. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video impacted at least one person. And if that person was you, please leave me a comment down below. Just let me know how this impacted you to, fuel me even more, motivate me even more to make even better videos. Because if I see that my videos are impacting people, making a difference, this fuels me and impacts me even more. And if you enjoyed this video, if this truly helped you, feel free to subscribe to this channel and, transform yourself and create your dream life, because this is what this channel is about. It's about transforming yourself to create the dream life that you desire. Okay, this was Michael Ling. We will see you in the next video. Let's go.